Manipur gi lonariba Myanmar gi ngamkhaida fencing tawriba asida ngai hak leitana ekhai thingaiba gi thabak chathariba ase lefan binaba Rajya Sabha gi MP lesem Sanajaoba na lenga ka taksinkhre chathariba parliament ke budget mifamda MP Sanajaoba na Manipur yauna Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland amadi Mizoram ga Myanmar ga kilometer lising amaga chatruk nifu humdoi sangbangam khai pullibani Manipur khakta da kilometer chahum marfutara nipan rom sangna Myanmar ga ngam khai thangnaribane adubu Manipur da insurgency drug lalon ba hengalakpa ngam khai lana mitop changsilakpa yauna lokai na thabak kaya chatharakpadage mamang jahi gi September thadagi ngam khai sambal khaba gi thabak paikhat pa haurakle hojik fawda kilometer kuntra rom da sambal khaba loirabaso Mamang Jahi ki August Hada Technopol District ta ngamkhai de sambal khaba gi machak mathum huran bagi thaudok thokre haina pukhatke masigi mathakta Mamang Jahi ki December Hada so Chandel District ki mafam khara da ngamkhai sambal kakthat lambage thaudok anirak thokpa leikrabani thaudok asimak leibak asigi security da chawna singnabani haina Sanajaoba na thamladuna athuba matamda center na mitheng changbiduna ngamkhai sambal khaba loisinaba taksinke.
In December 2025, iron fencing poles at the border of Chandel District, Manipur were cut twice. Again, similar incidents were reported along the borders of Technopol District, Manipur in August 2025. And equipment used for fencing constructions were also found stolen. Again, in January 2026, 47 iron poles of approximately 150 meters of fencing were found damaged at the border of Chandel District. Furthermore, up to the end of February 2026, 11 IED were detected and defused along the Indo-Myanmar border in Technopol District, Manipur. These incidents are willful disturbance posing serious challenges to the national security. I urge the government to thoroughly examine the matter, take appropriate and timely action so that the border fencing work could be continued without any hindrance and completed at the earliest.